The DNA Motoring HL/OH DR09QUA BK CL1 black housing headlights offer an impressive combination of style, functionality, and compatibility, specifically designed for the 2010 to 2018 Ram 1500 to 5500 models. With their sleek black housing, these headlights enhance the overall aesthetic of your vehicle, providing a modern touch that complements various color schemes. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible even for those with minimal mechanical experience. The precise design ensures a perfect fit for both dual and quad headlight models, eliminating the hassle of adjustment. The sturdy construction materials promise durability, resisting wear and tear over time. In terms of performance, the improved brightness significantly enhances nighttime visibility, which is paramount for safety on the road. The advanced lighting technology provides a clearer view of the surroundings, contributing to a more secure driving experience.